Speaking of flashes, here we go. More mysterious flashing lights. Guys, I've got over 80 that I'm working on. I have updated the map. It is right here. I've added North Georgia to the map. I've added a location right now that you're looking at in Tennessee, McKinnville, Tennessee, Chad, from early this morning. Check it out. Flashing lights in the parking lot of a large box store. Check it out. Multiple lights. You can see lights over here, up here, back over here to the left, right in front of him, over to the right. Lights scattered all over the place. Flashing, malfunctioning, for unknown reasons. Nobody seems to know what's going on. And this continues. This video's not even 20 hours old. This is still going on all over the world. This is a first right here. We've seen many lights all over the place, malfunctioning, flashing for unknown reasons. And guys, I've got video footage that include dozens of lights that are flashing at the same time in a huge parking lot. Montroy, January 24th of 2025 at 5:37 a.m. Check this out. He obviously lives near this street light. And for some reason, instead of being white, it's glowing some sort of an eerie green. Look at that. Like the voltage to the light is being, once again, interfered with. That's something that we've been talking about with regard to these flashing lights, that something is interfering with the flow of electricity. It looks like the flow of electricity is slowed down to a bare minimum, causing the light to appear to be green. Isn't that wild? That's supposed to be white. Not only did it happen once, twice. Going to Hiawassee, Georgia, Sean, January 17th, 2025. He too noticed a lone, rogue, green streetlight. That's supposed to be white. I'm serious. You can't make this stuff up. It gets stranger by the day. It really does. And wait till you see what's in these folders. There's over 80 now in the folders that I'm currently working on that I'll be sharing with you guys here very, very soon.